Hello beautiful souls, and welcome to this guided meditation where we are going to align with the 6/6 portal and new moon light code activations and pull in the energies so that we start to fully express our personal truths within the collective. If you listen to this meditation after the 6th of June 2024, be assured that the energies that come through from this portal will still be embodied within this meditation. These meditations and the energies that they contain are timeless. And so, with that said, find yourself a comfortable position, either sitting or lying. Close your eyes and take a deep, relaxing breath in and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension, any worry, any stress. With each breath, relaxing your muscles a little more deeply, and continue until you feel completely relaxed. So we're going to start the meditation not in the normal way that I do it. I'm not going to be channeling energy. The message I got for this meditation was for each of you to really get clear and feel your own connection to divine. Empower yourselves in that way. You have the supportive energies of the cosmos. You have the ability to tap into those supportive energies of the cosmos. And so I will not be channeling energy in this guided meditation, but what we will do is we will call upon the triple shield of Saint Michael so that you feel safe, so that you feel comfortable, so that you feel secure. So what I'd like you to do is begin by visualizing a brilliant silver light forming around you. This is your silver shield of protection. See it enveloping your entire being, forming a protective barrier that keeps you safe and secure. And as you breathe in, feel its strength and resilience, knowing you are completely protected. Then we move on to the second shield of light. See a radiant golden light emanating from within you. This is your golden shield of light. Watch as it expands outward, filling your entire aura with warmth, love, and positivity. This shield enhances your inner light and amplifies your unique truth. The third shield, the platinum shield of unity. Visualize the shimmering platinum light surrounding you. It connects you to the collective consciousness, fostering understanding, respect, and harmony. Allow yourself to feel the unity and interconnectedness with all beings. Now, with your protective shield in place, imagine a stream of a luminous white light descending from source energy, entering through your crown and flowing through your entire being. These are the 6 portal light codes, aligning you with higher frequencies and deeper truths. Feel the codes activating and energizing every cell, enhancing your ability to speak and live your personal truth. Now for breaking the constraints and embracing that personal truth, activating that personal truth. Visualize yourself as you truly are on the inside. See your dreams, ideas, and creations for a better world. Imagine yourself speaking intelligently and cohesively about these dreams, expressing them with confidence and fluidity. Picture yourself in a safe and supportive environment where your truth as you speak is respected and honoured. See yourself sharing your dreams and ideas effortlessly, knowing they are unique and personal to you, but received positively by the masses. Feel the clarity and the strength in your voice as you speak to your audience. Now imagine your words being well received by others. See your audience responding with enthusiasm and support. Through that enthusiasm, visualize resources flowing towards you, helping you bring your dreams into reality, collaborations, ideas, funding. Feel the gratitude and joy of receiving this support. Immerse yourself in the emotions of this experience. Feel the excitement, the passion, and the fulfillment of expressing your truth and seeing it supported. The stronger you feel these emotions, the more powerful your manifestation becomes. Allow these emotions to intensify, adding to the energetic power of your creation. Now, with that done, think of a keyword that symbolizes this manifestation, that brings these emotions instantly back into your conscious mind. This key word acts as a sonar signal, maintaining the energetic resonance of your intention. Whenever you say or think of this word, you reconnect with the powerful emotions and the energies of this meditation. Taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the energy of your manifestation anchored deeply within you. Know that your intention has been set. The call has been made. Trust that the cosmic radar can easily find its owner through your keyword invocation. Take another deep breath, and when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Remember, do not be tempted to repeat this meditation for the same desire. What you actually do then is just confuse the manifestation, and it just takes longer for it to come to you. Use the keyword to add to the potency, and the keyword, just by using a keyword, that helps you, that it creates a bridge so that we don't fall into the temptation of adding to that manifestation and thus it taking longer to come into fruition. Instead, use this meditation for differing creations that you are wanting to manifest. Just keep in mind that manifestation is about service. When we want to manifest, yes, we're wanting to bring something into our own lives, but how is that going to be of service to the greater good of the collective? That is a key factor when manifesting. It's not just about the self, it's about the service. And when it's about service, we bring it into fruition in a much quicker, much greater, much grander way. So you can use this meditation repeatedly, but don't repeat the same desire. That said, thank you for joining. I hope you have found this helpful. I can't wait to see and feel the frequencies and the resonance when you all start to really openly speak your truths, openly start to create your inner deepest desires of your missions, of those aspects of yourself that we all came here to create for the legacies we wanted to build. So I'm really looking forward to feeling that and to seeing that in a very tangible way, because I really truly believe it will not take that long to come into and be manifested on the earthly plane. So take care. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you've enjoyed the video, then give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you on the next one.